Hi students, today we are going to solve the longest palindrome problem on LeetCode. So let's head to the problem statement. The problem statement says we are given a string S which consists of lowercase and uppercase letters. We have to return the length of the longest palindrome that can be built with the given string. So we don't have to return the palindromes but only the length of the longest palindrome. Okay, so the letters are case sensitive, which means capital A, small a, that can't be a palindrome because the case doesn't match. One is capital letter and the other one is small letter. So the given constraints are there is always a string of at least one character and S consists of only lowercase and uppercase English letters. That means it always contains alphabets. It doesn't have spaces or any other characters. Okay, so let's see an example. So in this example, we are given input S, which is this string. The output here is 7, which means here we have 1A. Okay, so in the given string we have 1A. How many B's are there? There is 1B. Okay, and 4 C's and 2 D's. Okay, that is the given string. So even number of characters can always be part of palindrome and one of these can be part. So which is 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6 is the 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 7, which is the answer. Okay, so let's see another example. So in this example it is just A. So in this case, if it is just A, there is nothing much that needs to be done. So it is a palindrome. Single character you see from any side, it is always a palindrome. Okay. So let's work out the problem through an example. So what was the given example for us? A, B, 4 C's, 2 D's. Okay. So we are given A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 D's. So in this case, we have to keep track of the even number of occurrences of the character. So let's take a character set. Okay, let's say we have a set. So initially the set is empty. Okay, so when we look at any character, so we will do it this way. If the set already has the character, we will remove it. Okay, if the set doesn't have the character, we will add it. So in a way, at the end of this processing, set will only contain odd characters with odd frequency in this string. Okay, so let's say we start with character A. So when we are at A, set doesn't contain A, so we add A to the set. Now when we move to B, B is also not available in the set, so we add B to the set. Okay, now when we are at C, C is also not in the set, so we add C as well. Okay, now there is another C. C is already there, so at this point we will remove C. Okay, now we get another C. Now two C's in and out are cancelled. Now there is no C in the set, so again we will add C to the set. Okay, now we get the fourth C. Here C is present, so when something is present, we will remove it. Okay. Now when we encounter D, D is not there in the set, so we will add it. Okay. Now there is another D, so the next input is again D. D is already present, so we will remove it. So at the end of the processing, our set contains only the odd number of characters. Okay. So this given string length is 2 plus 4 plus 4, 4 plus 2, which is 8. So string length is 8 and we have two elements with odd size. Okay, we have two characters with odd size. So in a palindrome there can be only one character with odd size. If there are two, we can only take one. So if the size of the set is greater than 0, okay, what we will do is from the length of the string we will subtract size of the set minus 1. Why minus 1? Because we can have one odd character. Okay, if we subtract the size of the odd characters, we will get total number of even character strings in the string. And if there one odd character is allowed, so we will do minus 1. Okay, if let's suppose if the size of the, let's say our string is doesn't have any odd characters. For example, let's say our string is b c b c d t. Okay, so initially when we start it would be b, so there is nothing in the set, so we will add b to the set. Then we will see c, we will add c to the set. Then we will see b, b is available, we will add c to the set. Okay, b is available in the set, so we will remove it. Then we will see c, c is available in the set, so we will remove it. When we see d, d is not available in the set, so we will add it. Then there is another d, d is available in the set, so we will remove it. So if there are even number of characters, the final set would be empty. Okay, so in this case what we will do is length of the string, which is 6 in this case, and since there are no odd characters, there is nothing to do. Okay, so the longest palindrome is of size 6, length of the string itself. Okay, so we have two cases. One is when there are odd number of characters remaining in the set. In this case, we will do length minus size of the set minus 1. Minus 1 because one odd character is allowed in the palindrome. Okay. If the set is empty, which is this case, it is just length of the string. Okay, that is our simple algorithm. So by adding and removing to this set, we are basically calculating all the even occurrences of a character. Okay, so let's write code for this. Okay, so here is the LeetCode problem. Now we have to define a set first. Our set is of type character. Okay, let's call it char set, new hash set. Okay, we just created a set. So for each char in the string, so s.to char array will give us all the characters in the string. For each character, what does our algorithm say? If char set contains c, then we remove it. Okay, char set dot remove c. Okay, else if char set doesn't contain it, which is the else case, we add c. Okay, so at the end of it, our char set will have number of elements which are odd in size. So odd size is char set dot size. So since this size is the number of odd elements in the string, what was our algorithm? We return s dot length and minus. Okay, if odd size is equal to 0, there is nothing to minus. Okay, otherwise we have to minus odd size minus 1. Okay, minus 1 because one odd character is allowed in a palindrome. Okay, let's run this and see. To char array. Okay, so let's submit it. So it got accepted. What is the time complexity of our solution? We are parsing if the input array input string is of size n, we are processing the each character one by one. So it is order of n, where n is the size of the string. What is space complexity? So space complexity wise, we are initializing a char set, but the char set will at the max have the total number of alphabets. Since both uppercase and lowercase are allowed, it would be 26 plus 26, which would be order of 52, which is nothing but order of 1. Okay. Hope you understood the problem. Please keep practicing and improving your problem solving skills. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment. Okay. Happy coding. See you in the next video.